Welcome to the heart of educational excellence, where dreams are nurtured, beliefs are strengthened, and achievements are celebrated. Welcome to Yashveen Education System, where our motto is simple but powerful: dream, believe, achieve. Let's take a closer look at what makes YES stand out from the rest. Yashveen Education System is located in the heart of city at a prime location of Ravi Road, directly facing Shahdara flyover and Shahdara metro station. Yashveen Education System was established in 2021.
The learning process, the strategies we opt here, they are mix of lectures, problem-based learning, case scenarios, and we are connecting our students' theoretical learning to the practicum as well. And we are working very hard in providing all the platforms and opportunities for the residency programs, for clinical rotations of the student, industrial visits, and apart from all the academic activities and connecting them to the skilled related activities, we also make sure that our students participate in inter-college competitions, quiz competitions, all the competitive platforms. They are being provided to the students not only on the academic basis but on the co-curricular activities as well.
Over the past 3 successful years, YES has established itself as a beacon of learning and innovation, with a commitment to excellence and dedication to empowering students to reach their full potential. YES has become a name synonymous with success. Our diverse range of projects cater to the unique needs and aspirations of our students, providing them with the skills and knowledge they need to excel in their chosen fields. From healthcare to skill development, from academia to professional training, YES offers a comprehensive educational experience that prepares students for success in the real world. Projects of YES comprises Yashveen College of Pharmacy, Yashveen College of Allied Health Sciences, Yashveen College of Nursing, Yashveen College of Allied Health Sciences for Pharmacy Technician, Yashveen Institute of Skill Development, and Yashveen Academy. Yashveen Education System is authorized as test center from Pearson. Yashveen College of Pharmacy is affiliated with Punjab University and accredited by Pharmacy Council of Pakistan.
I am humbled to have achieved the first position at Yashveen College of Pharmacy in PharmD first year. Our college is a hub of knowledge and innovation with dedicated faculty and staff with exceptional lab facilities with treasure trove of our library.
We have organic, biochemistry, analytical and medicinal chemistry laboratories which are highly equipped and basically fulfill all the necessities which are required for all post practicals.
Where we not only focus on delivering the quality education, but also teach them the updated skills in pharmacology, physiology, anatomy and pathology labs.
In Yashveen Education System, we not only ensure the quality education, but we also more believe in the grooming of a student with the demands of practical field.
Yashveen College of Pharmacy offers Doctor of Pharmacy, which is a 5-year degree program. Yashveen College of Allied Health Sciences is affiliated with Islamia University of Bahawalpur. Yashveen College of Allied Health Sciences offers Doctor of Physical Therapy, which is a 5-year degree program.
We have in-house rehabilitation center and we are conducting medical camps on monthly basis. So our students will directly interact with the patients and gain valuable clinical exposure.
As much, and Alhamdulillah, I'm much satisfied from my institute, Yashveen Education System.
BS Medical Lab Technology and BS Human Nutrition and Dietetics. Both of them are 4-year degree programs.
यशवीन कॉलेज ऑफ अलाइड साइंसेस जो है ना वो प्राइवेट सेक्टर में बिल्कुल एक यूनिक इदारा है बाकी इदारों की निस्बत कि यहाँ पे जो इसकी लैब है वो बड़ी स्पेशियस और बड़ी वेल इक्विप्ड किस्म की लैब है जो कि आम कॉलेजेस में ऐसी लैब्स नहीं है और यहाँ पे SPLC टाइप जैसे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हैं हमारे पास.
It was a dream for me to study in Yashveen Education System.
Overall at YES, we provide a very healthy and encouraging environment for the students to become great professionals in future.
My experience has been incredible at YES with exponential teaching practices.
Yashveen College of Nursing is affiliated with Islamia University of Bahawalpur and accredited by Pakistan Nursing Council. Yashveen College of Nursing offers Bachelor's in Nursing, which is a 4-year degree program. Yashveen College of Allied Health Sciences for Pharmacy Technician is affiliated with Punjab University and accredited by Pharmacy Council of Pakistan. Yashvin College of Allied Health Sciences for Pharmacy Technician offers 2 years diploma in pharmacy. YES possesses more than 10 fully equipped laboratories, providing students with hands-on experience and practical learning opportunities in their respective fields of study. YES Digital Library houses more than 6,000 books, offering a vast array of resources to support students in their academic pursuits. Our modern IT lab is equipped with more than 50 computers, providing students with the latest technology and tools to enhance their learning experience. In addition to our state-of-the-art facilities, we have 10 fully equipped faculty offices, 2 auditoriums, more than 10 lecture theaters, equipped with multimedia facility, 2 cafes, and higher management offices to support the academic and administrative needs of our institute.
याशविन एजुकेशन सिस्टम का रिक्रिएशनल क्लब 4 मेन पिलर्स पे काम करता है, जिसमें लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज, टीम वर्किंग, कम्युनिकेशन एंड कॉन्फिडेंस.
Main highlight of YES is our campus management system, which allows parents to directly monitor their child's attendance and performance, ensuring transparency and accountability in the whole educational process. Our faculty members are highly educated and experienced. Most of them are PhD scholars and are dedicated to nurturing the minds of our students and guiding them towards success. Through seminars, conferences, and capacity building sessions, we ensure that our faculty and students are equipped with the knowledge and skills needed to thrive in today's competitive world. Beyond academics, our institute offers a vibrant campus life with activities such as National Day celebrations, Sports Week, fun tours, study tours, and competitions to polish students' skills and foster a sense of community and camaraderie. At YES, we believe in recognizing and rewarding excellence through merit-based scholarships, Hafz-e-Quran scholarships, kinship scholarships, and scholarships for teachers' children. We ensure that every student has the opportunity to fulfill their academic potential. With its prime location, cutting-edge infrastructure, innovative programs, experienced faculty members, vibrant campus life, and above all, its VN, our institution is dedicated to nurturing the next generation of leaders and thinkers. Join us at Yashvin Education System, where dreams are realized, beliefs are nurtured, and achievements are celebrated at every step of the way. Here the possibilities are endless and the future is bright. So let's build the future together.